Dang. Just missed a cool shot of a hawk being chased by one of these little smaller birds here. I think it may have even been a robin. That's not a robin. Guess the camera's even picking them up. Or her. Oh, that's a dove. A dove chasing a hawk. Wonder what he or she did. Doves usually strike me as peaceful birds. Oh, we got 32 here. I know I saw the passenger train go by earlier. So I know 44 and 68 aren't in the yard. It looks like that number says 54. Cool. Some engines I don't really see. Oh, it's like 42. Yep. It was you, wasn't it, chasing that hawk? Gutsy. That's so cool. 57's hiding behind there. It looks like there's a PRLX behind there, former CSX. I still don't feel confident enough to try to say it yet. AC. Oh, anyway, yeah, one of those guys, the CW engines. And the Three Musketeers behind there. That's an Alco 56. Yeah, I bet that's 57 behind it. That's cool. It's always cool to see a lot of engines in the yard. Yeah, I can't see what it says on the engine, if it says what it is. It just says PRLX. Can't cheat on that one. There's the ACEs. Resting up until, what, Monday? Tuesday? Yeah, I'm out of here before I get run over or something. Goodness, today has not been my day. And there we have them, the ACEs. And another really cool shiny car over there. It says Santa Fe on the side. Wonder if they're ever going to use that one. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hope you guys have a good evening. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.